Do you love noodles? Hey, what's up? It's Tyler with the Stephen Cooley Real Estate Group, and I wanted to show off one of my favorite restaurants here in Rock Hill, South Carolina, NC Noodle Bar. So let's go talk with the owners and check out what they got. Just for you. Just for you. Pho, or is it pronounced pho? What's right?
Well, for where I'm coming from, you know, in between the Southeast Asia, Vietnamese called pho.
And it's true that I was your first and favorite customer. That's true, right?
Of course, from day one.
Yeah,
Tyler.
day one.
Tyler is the number.
I saw the noodle sign driving. I swerved down the street, came over and walked in, and pretty much fell in love right away. Okay, so this has been NC Noodle Bar in Rock Hill. Again, I'm Tyler with the Stephen Cooley Real Estate Group. Thank you so much for watching.